Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my unboxing video for the Powerball Titan Autostart Pro. Make sure you watch till the end of the video because I'll be doing a giveaway of one of these devices. So as you can see from the get-go, it comes well packaged in a nice box that has the Powerball logo all around it. If you turn the box around, you can see a bit more details about the Powerball. You can see all the information about what the benefits are, how you can use it, what it strengthens, and you can see that it actually strengthens your shoulders, biceps, triceps, forearm and wrist. And the forearm and the wrist is something that's particularly difficult to strengthen, especially if you already have small forearms. It's very important to strengthen that in the gym because it improves your grip. I find that you can actually get stronger, but if you can't grip the bar very well, it limits what kind of weight you can lift. So if we remove the outer packaging, we have a nice black package here. It's quite a nice box. It's one of those boxes that you want to keep even after you've opened the product and you keep on using it. So all you have to do is pull it up. You'll see a little piece of cardboard with the Powerball logo on top of it. Remove that. It's just a little piece of cardboard to stop the items inside from moving about. They have a nice Powerball keyring. It's in a little package so it doesn't scratch up everything else inside there. It's quite cool. I like that it spins because it relates to the whole concept of the Powerball. You have a user manual inside of it. It's a little flip book. It's in different languages so you can make use of that. It gives you the information about how to use it, what you need to know. But there's also a link there to go onto the website to actually see someone using the product, and it's actually very useful. It helps you understand how to use the product properly. So you've got the cloth here to clean the Powerball. It's just the same cloth that you have for cleaning your glasses or anything like that. The Powerball holds fingerprints, but it fades very quickly, so I don't think you'd actually really need it. It's got a nice carbon fiber pattern around it, and obviously has the Powerball logo as well. You open it up and you can see the Powerball. It has a goldish silver blend to it, and if you go on the website, it'll show you how to use it. But the main thing that you need to do is turn it upside down, twist it 4 times or as many times as you can until you feel that it's not moving anymore. And then grab hold of it and twist just your wrist. You have to make sure that your arm isn't moving, but it's just your wrist moving. Depending on which arm that you use, you'll find that one is more comfortable. There's a way to spin it normally, and then there's a lazy way according to them. I find that on my left hand, that's the way I have to use that, but it does work because as long as you get the momentum right, you're still feeling the pressure and the ball keeps on spinning. And as it gets faster, you do struggle to hold on to it. So this is the Powerball. It's something that I've actually enjoyed making use of over the past few weeks. It's something that's funny to see your friends use it for the first time and everyone trying to hold on to it. Everyone's a tough guy until you test their forearm. And as I was saying, I will be doing a giveaway for this video. And congratulations to Ali who won the last giveaway of a travel plug. So all you have to do to win is be a subscriber and leave a comment below explaining why you need the Powerball. If you win, I'll message you on your channel and send you a Powerball. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to TechLoto for more unboxing videos. And don't forget to visit the website.